Richard wears a towel. James and I eat some crisps. And a fly is in our reasonably priced car. Hello, thank you so much, thank you very much. Now there's a new Ferrari has come out, and the obvious person to test it is, of course, James May, because he actually owns a Ferrari. No, he does. He doesn't like to tell people. Oh, no, I have. I just told everyone, haven't I? Anyway, because he likes to keep it a secret, someone else had to do it. This is all a bit strange. Because the 458 has a paddle-operated gearbox, someone obviously thought that life back here would be a bit complicated if there were traditional indicator and wiper stalks as well. So they've got rid of them. The buttons which control these things are now on the steering wheel, along with other buttons for the headlights, the suspension settings, the dim dip, the side lights, the traction control, and the starter motor. And you don't have to drive very far to realise the problem this creates.